Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Igama likayise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Thandwa zami, ngiyafisa ukuba uNkulunkulu asinikeze umusa wakhe namandla akhe. Thandwa zami, ukuba esikwenzayo uNkulunkulu asinikeze ukuphila. Ngiyafisa siyobuka ivangeli lika Matthew chapter 13 verses 36 to 43. Ngiyafisa siyobuka lelizwi lika uNkulunkulu Matthew 13 verse 36 to 43. Then he left the crowds. Jesus left the crowds and he went into the house. And his disciples came to him saying, "Explain to us the parable of the weeds of the field." Then Jesus answered them, "The one who sowed the good seed is the Son of Man. The field is the world, and the good seed is the sons of the kingdom. Then the weeds are the sons of the evil one, and the enemy who sowed them is the devil. The harvest is the end of the age, and the reapers are the angel. Just as the weeds are gathered and burned with fire, so will it be at the end of age. The Son of Man will send his angels, and they will gather out of his kingdom all causes of sin and all lawbreakers, and all throw them into the fiery furnace. In the place there will be weeping and gnashing of teeth, and the righteous will shine like the sun in the kingdom of their Father. He who has ears, let him hear." There's one word that I want to sit with. It is in verse 36. Then he left the crowds and he went to the house. And his disciples came to him saying, "Explain to us the parable of the weeds of the field." Kunento engifisa ukuyakuyona. Asifundiseni ukuya kuNkulunkulu in the private of our homes. Uyabona akuthi sebekhulume bonke, sebenze bonke abafuna ukwenza, kodwa ake uyinike lesisikhathi nalomzuzu wokuthi sengicela ke manje ukuya kuNkulunkulu. Yabona abafundi bebehleli nesixuku, uJesu ekhuluma about this parable of the weeds, about the parable of the seeds, and how the evil one plants that which will destroy everything. Khona inkulumo ekhulunywa ezidlangalaleni, khona inkulumo ekhulunywa in the open. It doesn't need your attention. It does not need your energy. Kodwa khona lento ebalekile engithandayo. Uma unento, uma unenkulumo, uma unemcabango, uma uneinkathazo, linda, sobuyela nje ekhaya. Khona imibuzo mina nawe ngenxa yokwazana nenkosi uJesu akufunakala siyibuze ezidlangalaleni. Khona inkulumo akufunakala si-entertain edlangalaleni. Angenza umzekeliso nje ithandwa zami. Uyabona makuthiwa ungimemile kwakho emcimbini, sibaningi, singadla, kodwa seku amanyala, sekulihlazo, uma kulokudla osinike kona kukhona ongekho mina bese ngithi awusibanibani awusilethela ukuthi athi usibanibani anginakho aze ahambe ayokuthenga, ichilo lelo, ihlazo lelo. Thina sikhule kuthiwa udla okunikiwe. Awukwazi ukucela into engabekiwe ngoba hleze ayikho noma khona ababekelwe yona. Okunye engikhule ngakho ngikuhlonipha, awudingi ukudla uzusuthe emzini womuntu as if awunalo ikhaya ozodla kulona. Awudingi ukuthi uqede konke basale bengenalutho wena kodwa usanento ozobuyela kuyona. Lento ngifuna ukuthi iba nesikhathi sakho noNkulunkulu wakho. Thobhala kahle umpostoli Paulos mebhalela ibandla laseFilipi athi make your intentions known to the Lord. Yenzani icelo zenu zaziwe enkosini. Athobhala kahle athi mkhuleko yenu nezicelo zenu uNkulunkulu ukwazi ngaphambi kokuba nikuphimisele. Yabona ubofana nomzali othi mehamba nengane edolobheni, ingane lokhu ikhala isikhala ithi hayi mina ngilambile, hayi mina ngifuna ukuthi, hayi mina kunje. Athi umzali ufuna ngikuthengele lokho? Engane kukhona nje ekhaya. Engane ngikushiyile nje ekhaya. Engane ekhaya kuyanihlula niqedi. Kungani pho ufuna ukukhala la emgaqweni uzofuna ngikuthengele? Thandwa zami, ngiyafisa ukuba sihlale kule nkonzo. Iba nesikhathi sakho noNkulunkulu. Iba nomzuzu noNkulunkulu. Khona imibuzo ongeke ukwazi ukuyikhuluma ezidlangalaleni. Angenza umzekeliso. Unkosikazi wakho noma umyeni wakho, uma kukhona into ayenzayo engakujabulisi, indoda ehlakaniphile, inkosikazi ehlakaniphile, ayimkhaci njengenja, ayimthethisi phambi kwabantu, ayimdiscipline imehlisa isithunzi even in front of family or friends. Kodwa bathi masebe ndawonye athi baba kaSibanibani, athi mama kaSibanibani, athi lento oyenzayo angifuni. Noma ngathetha thini kodwa sebekhuluma sebebodwa, baxoxa sebebodwa, balulekana sebebodwa. Yabona iyangithinta mina lento ukuthi uJesu walinda waze wangena endlini. Basebeya kuyena abafundi bathi Nkosi khona la sele khona, bathi Nkosi khona la engaqondi khona. Besiswele inkonzo enjalo ukuba angike ngilinde vele ngizoye ekhaya. Angafani nomuntu osequmbile, umuntu wonke nezwe lonke seliyazi. Wethandwa zami, akusibe bonke abantu abasondela empilweni yakho abafuna okuhle. Angenza umzekeliso. Kunabantu abazokuvakashela usesibhedlela. Akusibo bonke abeza ngoba bekudabukela. Abanye bazobheka ngoba mabesuka la bazohamba bayoxoxela izitha zakho. hayi nimbona akasakwazi nokuyihambela, hayi nimbona usehlala kwi-wheelchair, hayi nimbona useyagezwa, hayi nimbona akasakwazi nokuyidlela, hayi angiboni nje usibanibani ezosurvive. Uyazi abantu bazilwane bakushutha noma wena ungaboni ungafunanga, bakushuthele ukukhombisa izitha zakho mubukeni usenjani. Ngifuna ukuthi mina kuwena ungahambi umuka njengothuli, ungahambi umuka njengomoya. Akube khona izimo nezinto ongazenzi, ongakhulumi, ongahlangani nazo esidlangalaleni. Kumele mina nawe sifunde ukuyihlonipha. Kumele mina nawe sifunde ukwazi ukuthi lena ke ayingifuni, lena ke ayingidingi, lena ke akusiyo eyami. Yabona ithandwa zami, thina sikhula kunento esafunda ngayo. Ungayigqoki into engesiyo eyakho. Funda ukwaneliswa okwakho nonakho. Ongesikho kwakho ungakugqoki, futhi ungakufuni ngoba akusikho okwakho. Ngoba mhlazana umnikazi ehlangana nawe ugqokile ekukhumulisa, uyothi ubukisa ngawe, kanti wena othathe izinto ongezona ezakho wazenza ezakho. Khona izinto mina engima ngiyibuka bese ngithi hayi Thumbeza, lokhu akukona kwakho, lokhu akukufuni. Ngoba umnikazi uma sefika esethi ndoda lento ayigqokile eyami kade ngiyifuna, ikhumule. Awuboni ukuthi ihlazo liyosala nami, ichilo liyosala nami. Kunezinto ithandwa zami ekumele sifunde. Lena ayingidingi, lena akumele ngidlale nayo ngalolu hlobo. Yangithinta mina lenkonzo. uJesu ubuyele ekhaya, wahlala nabo phansi, wakhuluma, wabaphendula, baneliseka. Umbuzo wami uzothi, uzuye einkantolo, uzuye egcawini, uzuye ko social media, uzuye emaphepheni, belingasekho nikhaya. Uzuhambe ngempela uye kumakhelwane uyohleba uma wakho, belingasekho ni ikhaya. Uzuthatha ifoni yakho nenze lento eniyenzile, belingasekho ni ikhaya. Kunezinto uNkulunkulu asifundisa zona ejulile, edinga ukuba sifunde ukuphila impilo ehloniphayo. uNkulunkulu kunezinto athi mesenzela zona siyafunda ukuthi sibizelweni. Khona enye into engithintayo kulomzekeliso, ukhona isitha esitshala ukhula. Thandwa zami, angifuni ungasho, kohlezi kukhona umuntu ongafuni ukukubona uphumelela. Kohlezi kukhona umuntu ofisa ukulimaza umsebenzi omuhle owenzayo. Kohlezi kukhona umuntu ofuna ukufaka unyawo entweni oyenzayo. Maye uma lowo muntu kuyimina. Maye uma kuyimina ohlezi enomona. Maye uma kuyimina ohlezi ehlaphaza. Maye uma kuyimina ongabafiseli abanye abantu okuhle. Thandwa zami, ngiyafisa ukuthi siyibambe le. Angeke bangithande bonke abantu. Write that down. That's your word for today. Angeke bangithande bonke abantu. Not everyone is going to like you. And that's okay. Kwesinye isikhathi abakufuni. Hayi ngoba nakho wenze kabi. Hayi ngoba nakho wenze kabi. Isidalwe esiwumuntu sosho ukuthi uyazi angimphiwe usibanibani. Angimthandi. Yini wenzeni? Hayi nje mangimbona nje ukuthi xhifi. Omunye uzothi angimthanda usibanibani indaba. Indlela ahleka ngayo nje, indlela akhuluma ngayo nje, indlela agqoka ngayo nje uyitshela ukuthi uright kunathi sonke. Thandwa zami, ngifuna ukuthi si-understand ukuthi ake uyeke ukufuna ukuthandwa abantu bonke. Ake uyeke ukufuna ukukhothanyelwa abantu bonke. Ake uyeke ukufuna ukucelebratewa abantu bonke. Ake uyeke futhi ukufuna uku-acknowledgewa abantu bonke. Yabona kunabantu abaningi abalimele empilweni, emshadweni nasemakhaya. Athi umuntu, they don't appreciate me. They don't value me. And most of the time, it's a valid argument. Athi because I do so much for them, but they don't appreciate me. I do so much for them, they don't value me. I do so much for them, bayangidelela. Until you come to terms, to a realization ukuthi I do so much for them because I want to do it. Angikwenzi khona bezongibonga. It will be nice mabengibonga, but angikwenzi ukuthi bangibonge. It will be nice if they appreciate, but angikwenzi ukuze bang-appreciate. Ngikwenza because it's the right thing to do. Wethandwa zami, sigcine nini ukumbonga uNkulunkulu for the fact ukuthi amadlebe ethu ayezwa. Just now, for over 30 minutes, you've been listening to my voice. Has it ever crossed my mind ukuthi aibo I can hear? Has it ever crossed my mind I can see the screen? Has it ever crossed my mind I have the ability to listen? And yet kuumusa kaNkulunkulu. Kodwa ngeke uNkulunkulu azonde ukuthi Thembelani kungani ungabongi ukuthi wena amadlebe akho ayezwa. Thembelani kungani ungabongi ukuthi wena uyakwazi ukukhuluma. Thembelani kungani ungabongi ukuthi uyezwa. Right now khona abanye abantu abayemsebenzini. And abanye bathe ngisafuni mina ukuyenza lento, ayi mina iyangicika manje umsebenzi, ayi mina ngikhathele. And yet in the same family, among the same siblings and friends, khona bathi inkosi ngicela ungiphe umsebenzi. And yet uNkulunkulu akasiphuci ngoba sibonganga. Ngifuna ukuthi mina asukeni ekufuneni ukubongwa ngoba mase bengakwenzi solimala. Kunabantu abalinyazwe ukuthi la ekhaya they take me for granted. La ekhaya ngibenzela yonke into kodwa bayangimosha. Yes, bazokwenza lokho. Qhubeka. Bazokwenza lokho. Kuthi ungayeki ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukubizeleni wena unohlobo lwento akunike yona. Kunento engifuna ukuya kuyona ithandwa zami. Abantu ngeke bak-understande bonke. Ngeke abantu bak-understande. Kwesinye isikhathi ngizokuzonda. Ngikuzondela ukuthi nje you are so good. You are so great. And ngizokuzonda. Yabona, let me give you a typical example. There are great men and great women. They are great preachers. And I've seen and I've listened to these guys. And I'm always marveling with wow. They're great men, great women who are great leaders, who are great managers. And I look at them and I sit with them across the room and I'm like, wow, this is powerful. This is great. There are people who've done so well. And yet, bayabazonda. Why? Let me give you a secret. Khona omunye umuntu okuzondayo. Not because you are doing so well, but because in you doing so well, ubenza bona babukeke as if abenzi lutho. Thola ukuthi emsebenzini uzubizwe ngokuthi we na intandokazi yabelungu, nazi ithandwa zamaboss, nangu umuntu yabona emsebenzini ayikho into ebuhlungu, especially it's done by women mostly. Ukuthukana. Where I when vele ulala neboss, I when vele uyayithanda iboss. No, and half the time, more than half the time, it's not even true. Ukuthi she is capable and she is more than capable and she is in her element. Khona omunye umuntu onenkinga ngokuthi why wena are we always celebrating you in this company? Why do you always do so great? And we start hitting you. And then we start rumors about you. Ngiyafuna ukuthi ukubeke engqondweni ukuthi bayakuzonda, ukuthi abakufuni, ukuthi bakwenzani, ungakubeki ukwenze as if it's yours. Uyabona kunabantu abasebenzelayo who are so great, so powerful. Uthola ukuthi mina engimphethe I'm lacking. And guess what? Mina ngimcindezelayo. Khona lento umuntu ongawazi umsebenzi uyena okuphethe, oyena obekwe kwi-position of authority, either because waze abantu abanamandla, noma it is a political appointee, or it is some sort of mismanagement, and uthola ukuthi nine nazi umsebenzi niphethe umuntu ongawazi umsebenzi, nine niqualifyayo kulo msebenzi niphethe umuntu ongaqualify. Don't hate. Don't hate. But they do it. Azi wena ukuthi uNkulunkulu wakho uzokuhlelela. Ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ogcebileyo.